Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. You're watching She Dreams Hues and this is Devyani. Today we're gonna make this sketch right here. Just follow me through the video. I've already sketched the painting and today I'm going to use these Cretacolor pastel pencils. It's a set of 24 colors and follow me throughout the video. I have mentioned the colors I'll be using. Soft pastels or pastel colors are very different in texture from your pencil colors, and these are really easy to blend. As you can see here, just after using the pencil, I am using my fingertips to blend the color, and as you can see, it's really easy and it gives a nice blend. So you should definitely try them if you haven't already. So the sketch is ready here. Soft pastels are very chalky in their consistency, so you need to use a fixative so that the color stays put together on the paper. So that's what I've done there, and I wanted a little bit of contrast on this painting, so I'm using my jelly roll pens here to make these flowers. So here it is, the painting is ready. Please subscribe to my channel, hit the like button, please share, and don't forget to come back. I'll see you soon. Bye bye.